strange calculation in SOLIDWORks. In the context of an assembly or a part document, activate one of the SOLIDWORks add-ins is a SOLIDWORks simulation. Go to the tab and from the drop-down menu, Study Advisor. Activate the command New Study. Select the type, for example, static. Analysis to begin the task of research setting. From the outtest, apply the material. Right mouse button, activate the command Edit Material and select from the list in the table. SOLIDWORKS material, steel and some IEC 304. Apply and close. From the Fixture Advisor, activate Fixed Geometry and specify how I fix it. How to consolidate and specify the edge or face. With the help of an external advisor, for the load, set the method of influence on the investigated object and run the calculate. Gravity and some force. No, some force on that surface and 1000 Newton. And run this study. Material not defeated, sorry. Apply Edit Material in tree of static. Apply, close, and now run this study. Now to do solving, system do solving, I click pause. We have result, stress, displacement, double click, and strain. From the drop-down menu Result Advisor will help create a new diagram, safety margin. New plot, some factor of safety or design inside. Most loaded.